Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has appealed to press and police to work diligently. Minister Karam Shyam assures that age-old Laishang Hidden and Langkabal Palace will be renovated. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey stresses importance of scientific farming. And counting of votes for General Panchayat elections in progress in 6 Valley District headquarters. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and Premi Thangjim with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has appealed to press and police to work diligently. Speaking at the police press workshop organized by Manipur Police Department at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles this morning, the Chief Minister asserted that the barely 6-month-old government has taken up various developmental schemes for the people. Biren expressed concern that blasts occurred when the government introduced Imphal evening so that the people can relax their leisure time in the evening. He said the police are responsible for the safety of the people while the press provides a direction to the people and the government. He said both the police and the press should perform their duties diligently. Stating that media is the 4th pillar in a democratic state, the Chief Minister said media persons should strictly follow professional ethics. He said the people now have faith in police and want police to patrol the state and national highways. Biren said this is a sign of healthy relationship between people and police. Highlighting the recent developments in the state, the Chief Minister said after a meeting with Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari last month, the ministry had released 32 crore rupees for the repair of the national highways damaged by floods. A proposal has also been sent to the ministry for construction of 12 new roads connecting state and national highways in the state. Several resource persons spoke on redressal of grievances, media management, safety of journalists, mob justice and ethical reporting at the workshop held on the occasion of 125th anniversary of Manipur Police. Members of print and electronic media and top officials of Manipur Police attended the workshop.
State law and order security protect the voice of police we cannot depend on anyone. We want to depend on rules of law exist to have any way. Governance the media rules I'm sorry. Even sensitive news before publication, the PR or the should machine sensitize to home
Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren today inspected the repair works at Komanlam Park Main Stadium, including the temporary administrative block of the proposed National Sports University. Speaking to media during the inspection, the Chief Minister assured that the repair work at the main stadium will be completed before laying the foundation for the National Sports University and the I-League. Responding to a query by Impact News as to whether mismanagement could be the reason for the growth of grasses on the velodrome inside the main stadium and poor condition of other structures in the stadium, Biren said his government will look into the matter to find out whether it is due to mismanagement or lack of funds. The Chief Minister also saw the repair of main structures and toilets inside the stadium and instructed the YAS officials to replace the old electronic display board. Biren inspected the building of Manipur Olympic Association, which will be utilized as a temporary administrative block for the National Sports University. He was accompanied by officials of YAS during the inspection.
Office hangadaba khokadaba khoi sports department ne yam kan tawre sine MOA kanogi MOA gin Manipur Olympic Association ni sida floor amani maloba siso yam loisale huje khoi yengurido state ki wena ready leire honorable prime minister lakata timing so adu khaki ngaina ba haitare magi schedule ma do ayamadi prepare tawri sei satisfy way university sigi di koi university atuma mutam sanga gadam na sanga de mang loide yadre haidi just matam leitre haijari ba tha makhai mu tarani swai manung lo sendoi ni adagi main stadium su I league tawdoi ni na I league ki mang loidoi ni adna maximum 1 month swai manung da yam loidoi ni.
Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam has assured that the age-old Laishang Hidden and Langthabal Palace will be restored. The minister who represents Langthabal took part in a tree plantation and a cleanliness drive at the Langthabal Hillock located inside Manipur University campus today. The program was organized by Langthabal Konung Ching Protection Committee in collaboration with State Archaeology Department and personnel of 6 Assam Rifles. Karam Shyam observed the university campus is in a deplorable condition. He urged the university authorities to maintain the campus neat and clean. Responding to a query by Impact News on Laishang Hidden and Langthabal Konung Hill, the minister said he has informed the chief minister that the previous government had acquired land from the people to restore Laishang Hidden. He also assured that as a representative of the constitution, he will take a major role in restoration of the old Langthabal Palace.
Manipur ki oina sarkar ki lam loksan bakanda sida lawgi bakanda di hingon da square feet lupa mapan lawpham da lupa taruk to lawgi bani atopa jaga da na lupa sama ga kunipan ina sama ni phu bhog to bakanda adi lamdam ji praja singna whatever sacrifice tor ga lam si amarom da ari ma da pi gi bo samana masi shamkat na thambai si yabanga moi on novel sem gi magi attention su ai draw to jagre shamkat na sum lam loksan laga free da thambadu di Yabu Natamina, Aishagi Saiti, was over Ditam and Lauraga, Atam Kurski Manunda, Namna Pazaba Jagama, Winava Honagani.
Aja Kachang, a monthly Tangkhul journal, was launched today at Nagram Community Hall. Parliamentary Secretary, Planning and Transport, Kashim Vashung, Ukrul MLA Alfred Kangam, Arthur, Director of Information and Public Relations, Megha Chandra Kongbam, and several distinguished persons were present at the launch. Speaking at the function, MLA Alfred Kangam Arthur said, these days of yellow journalism where the news content comprises of only 10% truth and the remaining merely superficial and little of well-researched news aimed with the sole objective to sell more papers, media based on the truth can touch the hearts of the people and bridge the gap between valley and hills. Kangam Arthur also stressed the need to follow ethics by media persons in a volatile state like Manipur. He said the role of media is important in bringing unity and harmony in the state. Editor of the magazine, Valley Rose Hungyo, said the magazine aims at promoting the Tangkhul language and will ensure that news reaches the remotest areas. The magazine contains articles on legal matters, health, GST, MDS scam and other issues. It may be mentioned that Azad Daily is the first ever Tangkhul daily in Manipur, established in 1992.
Media is the fourth estate. Fourth pillar right now, media, the TVC, it has been defined by the highest court in the country as not absolute. Freedom of speech and expression, absolute not clear. You cannot infringe on the right of people and say that this is news. Important ethics in media. I sometimes look back and if they have written masala yellow journalism, the paper to Ajji paper subscription but people don't like reading the truth because
Kurai MLA L. Susindro has warned of action will against those who have misappropriated MLA Local Area Development Fund but did not carry out any development work in Kurai. Susindro said those responsible will be asked to redo all works done without quality. He appealed to the public to extend cooperation in identifying and punishing the persons responsible for withdrawing funds for 2016. Speaking to media persons at his residence on Kurai Tinsit Road today, MLA El Susindro said it is unfortunate that the fund of a year has been withdrawn, but no developmental works have taken place. He alleged that a former Kurai MLA and the local area development fund committee have used the amount for a year to earn interest. Susindro appealed to people to not spread a false propaganda in Kurai constituency.
Criminitarium di paisa lotokpa criminitarium oin leram daba fencing gi paisa lotokpa fencing oin leram daba masumba thigala kanda dandi pibam su darkar le thabak suriba amasung sudriba tawdriba sin ji support tawriba se masi parja isinau sina sumbai system da sum chatha leiragadi Kurai kendra chahotpa matamda chahi manga da yagada photo chahi kun jangani kunthra changane hanagi local area development fund da lokthokraga paisa thabak sudaba singse masigi mathate action lokhotna honara po matamda parja isinau singna mioi mari manga khak ki damakta khalla kanda akoi mioi changwa da lising da parja jing wahan bache masi ai pamde.
Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey, has asserted that if more focus is given on agricultural activities, not only the unemployed youth of the state will get employment, but people from other states will benefit too. He was speaking at the closing ceremony of the two-day National Symposium on Emerging and Re-emerging Plant Diseases in Northeast India, Challenges and Strategies at ICAR Complex, Lamphilpad. The Vice Chancellor emphasized the role of research scholars and scientists to achieve greater success in agriculture. He said the farmers will find it difficult to improve farming without the support of their scientific methods.
Through this seminar, whatever you have presented here, and if it is implemented in this field, I think it will be a great help for the region and as well as for the development of the different activities of this region. There is no country in the world where such variety is found, and if we can utilize this, if our scientists, researchers can do something in this area, in this field, and I am sure that we are able to feed the rest of the world.
Counting of votes for the 5th General Panchayat elections is in progress in 6 Valley District headquarters. The counting began at 8 this morning in Imphal East, Imphal West, Thaubal, Bishnupur, Kakching and Ziribam District headquarters and mini secretariat. For Imphal West, the counting is held at the DC's office till 4:30 p.m. 6 rounds for Lamsang Gram Panchayat, 5 for Patsoi and 1 round for Wangoi were completed. The counting for ward members was yet to be completed till late afternoon. Police personnel maintained a tight security to prevent untoward incidents. Only agents of candidates were allowed in the DC complex. A large number of supporters of candidates were seated outside the complex waiting for the results. Counting of votes is going on at multi-purpose hall of Bishnupur Mini Secretariat in Bishnupur district since 8 in the morning amid the tight security arrangements. 76 ward members have already been elected unopposed in the district. 97 candidates contested for the Zilla Parishads, 44 for Pradhans and 222 for ward members in the district. A team of police led by SP Bishnupur Yogesh Chandra is maintaining a street vigil in and around the counting hall. CCTV cameras are also installed inside the strong room. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. A team of Imphal West Commando and JK Rifles yesterday arrested a cadre of KCP MC Lamyan Bakuman from Konthocham, Maning Laikai. The cadre is identified as Palmai Lovingson, 32 years, son of late Chau Borongmai of Konthocham, Maning Laikai. Another cadre of the outfit identified as Hoinelung Kamai was also arrested. A team of Imphal West Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrested a cadre of RPF PLA at Lilong Chajing. He is identified as Sorokhaibam Bedajit, alias Ibungotomba, 28 years, son of S. Ishwar Chandra from Langthabal, Kunja, Wanglaikai. District level coordination committee Churachandpur met today with Deputy Commissioner Churachandpur in the chair. The meeting discussed Aadhaar enrollment, development works and achievement of various in the district. District level officers were asked to submit report on achievement of their department to the Deputy Commissioner before noon tomorrow. Directorate of Transport have declared certain areas in Imphal as public parking only on Saturdays and Sundays from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. with immediate effect until further notice for the convenience of the people visiting Imphal evening. The areas are Southern Road side of National Highway 2 from Northern Gate of the Kangla to LIC office turning one side of Koyathong Thamwipan Road, covered slab of Naga Nula, Northern side of National Highway 2 from Nupila Complex to Raj Bhavan, turning roadside of Imphal Jail Road and Thaubal BSR parking. The Supreme Court today ruled that sex with wife aged between 15 and 18 years would be a punishable offence under the Indian Penal Code. A public interest litigation was filed in the Apex Court seeking to allow a bride below 18 years of age to file an FIR if she is forced to have physical relationship. While delivering judgment, the Apex Court bench comprising Justice Madan B. Lokur and Deepak Gupta expressed concern over practice of child marriage, saying social justice laws had not been implemented with the spirit they were enacted. Justice Gupta, who wrote a separate but concurrent verdict, said the age of marriage was 18 in all laws and the exception given in the rape law under the IPC is capricious, arbitrary and violates the rights of a girl child. The Apex Court said the exception is violative of Article 14, 15 and 21 of the Constitution. It voiced concern over thousands of minor girls being married in mass wedding ceremonies at the occasion of Akshaya Tritiya. Notably, on the issue of marital rape, the government of India has argued before the Supreme Court that criminalizing marital rape could destabilize the institution of marriage and become an easy tool for harassing the husbands. The centre, in an affidavit filed in response to pleas seeking criminalizing marital rape, has said the Supreme Court and various high courts have already observed the growing misuse of Section 498A harassment caused to a married woman by her husband and in-laws of IPC. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren has stated that the government has allocated 35 crore rupees to promote entrepreneurs who have the skill but are unable to set up business due to lack of funds. Biren asserted that the government has plans to promote these entrepreneurs under the startup scheme in order to improve the economy of the state and to create employment opportunities. He was speaking at the opening of an exclusive showroom of the international brand Vans at Kaishampa, Thauchom, Laikai today. The Chief Minister assured of government support to those young entrepreneurs who live outside Manipur if they start any projects in the state.
Youth Summit Masagi skill lairaba certificate holder oiraba say computer line do oiro IT line do oiro business skill line do oiro any kind of entrepreneurs madudai da masagi expert oiraba certificate holder oiraba aduga invest oningai paisa di lejedaba leida moidu gi damakta neba koina government sina startup haidana sugumba si tongnana ba haidara startup haidana 35 crores ki koi budget da hapaga le aduna koi madugi summit amaka athuba matamda koi gi city convention da kari da koi widely publicity tawrkan mapanda leiba Manipur da langning entrepreneur tongning ba paisa thada ningai lejedaba masadi expert oijaba adugumba mi so ko invite tongneba adu khanar kanda sugumba self employed toba loinana atopada su employment pi base masi khara kanai khoi yokhalaga thaba hoge haidana adamaina horupane.
The 115th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Jayaprakash Narayan, popularly known as Lok Nayak, who led the total revolution against former Prime Minister late Indira Gandhi, was observed today. Jayaprakash Narayan Birth Celebration Committee Manipur and Loktantra Senani Sangh Purvanchal Kshetra Manipur observed the day at Manipur Press Club. Attendees observed a 2-minute silence and offered floral tributes to the portrait of the leader. The 93rd birth anniversary of R.K. Maipaksana, a political activist, journalist, revolutionary and a teacher, was observed today at Lamyan Bashanglan Palace compound. R.K. Maipaksana Journalist Fellowship 2017 was presented to columnist of Pongnafam newspaper Ningombam Gunachandra. The award carries a citation and cash award of 3,000 rupees per month for 1 year. Professor Nongmaithem Tombi delivered the 7th R.K. Maipaksana Memorial Lecture on Journalism ka Manipuri gi Sahitya amasung Sanskriti ga lainaba mari. Professor N. Tombi said, history is incomplete without journalism. Journalism and literature are like friends, each need to support one another. He said, the vivid example is that the classic poem of Dr. Kamal's Maitai Chanu was inspired by Hijam Irabot's first journal, Maitai Chanu, published in 1922. Dr. Kamal's Brojendrogi Luhongba first appeared in journal. Former Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, Professor Hijam Tombi presided over the function.
साहित्य का जर्नलिज्म का से मरु पॉइंट चमी न बताबा साहित्य का जर्नलिज्म का से मचिम मनाव ने सुली न बताबा नुसी न बताबा अमन नमगी मतियंग पांग बताबा अमन नमनु सौगत बताबा मसी हौती तक खंगे अनि सिगी लेना बमरी से असमति मरु वई करे हाइबसे आई हंदक की लेक्चर सिगी वक्त तो मतम सिदा मसी खंगे नुमे खितिंग फोंग बे खुने थोकसादाबा पुंग तरेन मापन ता मतम हुंदोखरिबा बोरा योनब सिनखरिबा न्यूज़पेपर हाइबेसिगी मनुंग यावरिबा असिदी मणिपुर जाति की इतिहास यावरी मणिपुर कल्चर हेरिटेज यावरी मणिपुर की इशू मयाम यावरी.
Council of Higher Secondary Education (COSIM) has informed all heads of institutions under the council that correction of students' data, cancellation of registration certificate, withdrawal of enrollment and registrations of students in cases of mistakes may be made in the council office during working hours on or before October 20th. Students of DM College of Commerce today states a certain against the planting of a bomb by unknown miscreants in the college campus. Speaking to Media Persons, a student condemned the incident and appealed for a free education zone. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Department in a press release has appealed to people not to be apprehensive about the one-day nationwide shutdown of all petrol pumps on October 13 as the state has adequate stocks of petrol for 32 days, diesel of 40 days, SK oil for 38 days, LPG for 3 days and air turbine fuel for 14 days. It also warned the black marketeers not to seize the opportunity to sell fuel black. Maikam Thoiba Tauchom Tolen, Kangabam Chorajit, Yumnam Gyaneshwar, Maibam Shyama, Irengbam Nanda, Tauchom Jiban, Oinam Chauba and Yendrinbam Kiran from Manipur have been selected for the Lokmitra Award by the Dalit Sahitya Academy for their contribution in different fields. The award will be presented on the 17th of this month at Ribhatnagar, Guwahati. Now to sports news. Union Sports Minister Rajvardhan Singh Rathore has felicitated the Indian team which backed the overall team runner-up title at the World Bodybuilding and Physique Championship held in Mongolia. India backed 5 gold, 4 silver and 6 bronze medals at the championship. Dinesh Singh, Rishikant Singh, Bobby Singh, Jayaprakash and Mahendra Chavan backed gold. Dinesh, Rishikant and Bobby are from Manipur. In the state-level inter-school football tournament 2017, under-19 boys matches played today at Komanlampak Sports Complex. None District beat Kakching District 3-1. Imphal West thrashed Taubal 6-2. Bishnupur District defeated Tamenglong 2-0. Imphal East beat Chandel District 3-2 and Bishnupur District dropped Ziribam 5-0. And in under-19 girls, Kakching District got a walk as None District team did not turn up while Kampopi thrashed Chandel 3-0. Imphal East got walkover since Technopol District did not show up. Bishnupur thrashed Ziribam 13-0. Youth Affairs and Sports is organizing the tournament. Singjamai Kendra A defeated Singjamai Kendra B 13-4 in the 6th Mangsataba Miboyaima and Punyabati Memorial Lake Kam knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournament today. Singjamai Kangkot is organizing the tournament at Singjamai Kangshang. Singjamai Chingamatha Konthojam Kendra will meet Kai Shamthong Kendra tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin has appealed to press and police to work diligently. Minister Karam Shyama shows that age-old Laishang Hidden and Langthabal Palace will be renovated. Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey stresses importance of scientific farming. And counting of votes for General Panchayat elections in progress in 6 valid district headquarters.